Meet the Jelly family.
I'm Jelly Mom. I'm Jelly Boy.
And I'm Jelly Girl.
Hello, we are the Jelly family.
Are you ready for an adventure? Wow! Let's go explore!
Wow! Look at this place.
It is so beautiful.
Look at that, everyone.
Wow, it's so cool.
Wow, it's so cool.
I want to go there.
Let's go to the beach, everyone.
Wow, look at that. This is going to be so much fun.
Don't worry, we will help you clean this up.
Huh?
Let's help this little turtle.
Hey!
Let's make something beautiful.
This is so much fun.
Wow, look at that big crystal.
Wow! Whoa!
Wow, look at our big friends.
They are showing us the way.
This is so much fun!
We did it! Look at them go!
We are so glad we could help beautiful home.
Thank you so much, Jelly family!
Goodbye, everyone.
We will miss you! See you next adventure!